Hey everybody, in today's video, we are going to fix that annoying cackling sound or buzzing sound coming from your Windows laptop speakers. This fix should work for almost all of the laptops and it's super easy, so let's just dive right in. First of all, we can just go over and update or reinstall our audio driver. Press Windows plus X for that, and you can select up your device manager and hit enter. And that should give you a device manager. You can just go over and expand your sound, video, and game controllers. And just go over and right click on your audio driver, usually Realtek or any other, and select this option of update driver. And you can search automatically for drivers or browse your computer for drivers manually. Apart from that, also check if your speakers or headphones, plug in some headphones or speakers, and if it happens every time, everywhere, it is likely a software issue. So you can also disable the audio enhancement. Look out for the speaker icon and right click on it, select sound settings, and go to input section, or go ahead and look out for more sound settings. And look out for your audio enhancement here. If not here, just go over and look out for audio enhancement directly. And you can just go over and turn it off for now. Apart from that, you can adjust the sample rate. So you can go to your speaker, right click on it, go to troubleshoot sound problems, or right click on it and open up your sound settings or open volume mixture. And from here, what you may do is basically look out for the advanced tab. Let's close this up, go to the sound settings, and look out for this advanced tab, and go ahead and change the default format. So go to speaker and look out for the levels or advanced section and change it to 16-bit, if not 24, and just go and taste it out, apply it and click on OK, and close this up for now. Apart from that, you can check for your Windows update and do so. Go ahead and look out for Windows plus I and go to Windows update. And if there is any kind of update available, it can update your Windows and just go over and do so. After you do so, you can play some music or video and check. The crackling sound should be gone. If it's still there, it might be a hardware issue with the speakers, in which case headphones or external sound card can help. You can go to a nearby laptop or computer store and just go over and check it out. And that is it, a quick and easy fix for laptop crackling sound on Windows. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment, and thank you for watching.